it's me, Destiny Beasley, aka the Broadcast Baddie, and you all would not guess where I'm at. I'm standing outside of the historic Lincoln Theater, and guess what? We're about to take a tour inside. So how about y'all go ahead and follow your girl and everybody else that's on the tour. All right. As the future of the historic Lincoln Theater was discussed during a community walkthrough, some participants, like Jennifer Pierce, couldn't help but to travel back in time. No flux capacitor required.
Lincoln here, and the last time I was at the Lincoln Theater was in 1970 in December, and it was, I believe, James Brown's movie Ski Party was showing then, and I must have been about 13 years old.
For Pierce, returning to a place that was once a distant memory seemed surreal.
It's really a very warm, chilling experience, but a happy moment to be able to rejoice and just be proud, of what's coming to the area.
Founded in 1945, the Lincoln Theater became a community staple in South Baton Rouge. The historic entertainment space hosted music legends such as James Brown and Louis Armstrong, among others. Now this renowned community jewel is picking up its legacy where it left off, providing a space for cultural art to thrive.
Black theater is growth because we're telling our stories. And as, of course, Dr. W.E.B. Du Bois taught us with his manifesto, is that we must have a theater by us, for us, near us, and about us.
Actors tell stories, and you're going to see so many stories unfold on this stage.
Dr. Ava Brewster Turner will serve as resident host for the Lincoln. The founder of Upstage Theater says she is looking forward to bringing her 24th season to the Lincoln stage.
So just to see everything unfold, the extension of the stage, the new curtains, all of the new equipment that we will have here and that will bring us up to where we need to be now, it's exciting. And we're really excited about it, and we cannot wait to raise the curtain on our first production of 2026 here.
Volunteer Tara Wicker says this long-standing project in the making is like a dream come true.
This project is like a beacon of light for this community that everyone has dreamed about, and now seeing the renovation, seeing the seats redone, seeing the stage come up, see all of the shops coming back, it is just the most wonderful feeling ever. This is like the best Christmas gift ever.
With the community's help, Wicker believes the Name Your Seat campaign will advance renovations.
An opportunity through the Lincoln Theater Name Your Seat campaign to actually have your name listed on the seat, and the cost for the seat is only $500, but it goes a long way in terms of marking your place in history.
Always keeping it local, I'm Destiny Beasley.